Here, how does this taste? Step aside canned pumpkin. We're doing this the old-fashioned way. We're gonna start by removing the stem. Make sure you're using a sharp knife. Nothing your granny gave you from the 1930s. Granny always uses a sharp knife. Now we scoop out all the insides. The seeds make a great snack. And don't worry, I'll show you how to do that too. Don't worry about removing the skins. We're just gonna lay those cut side down. You wanna trap the steam inside so that you're gonna get a smoother puree later on. Roast these in an oven around 400 degrees until they're fork tender. Depending on the size of the pumpkin, usually around 40-45 minutes. Now that skin should peel off nice and easily. Make sure you let this steam and cool so all that water comes out, and then toss it into your food processor. Now the canned ingredients just list pumpkin, so we're gonna do the same. Come back later and we'll show you how to dress it up for a pie. Just like Grandma used to make.